Hi there. Let's take a look at how we can improve the Chapter 2 mid-level exercise. So here's what I want you to do. Go to Blackboard, log into our class. At the left, click My IT Lab, and then in the middle, click the My Lab IT course content. So I'm going to click that link to advance to the My IT Lab website. When we get connected with My IT Lab, we land in the course materials section, which is perfect. Click Chapter 2 to see what we're going to do is we're going to see our results there. Now, I submitted my work like as if I were a student, and so I'm going to use my work as an example. So here I have the Chapter 2 mid-level, and my score is 97.5. I want you to advance here and look at what your score is. Where you see your mid-level exercise, click the little hamburger icon, right? It's a bun with a hamburger in the middle. So click that icon and choose View Submissions. And I'm going to let that pull up. You have to click on, remember we get the chance to submit 3 times. So click on whatever submission currently is your highest score. I only have 1, so I'm going to click on that. And here are the details. It tells me exactly what it doesn't like about my submission. So the first thing we're going to look at is step 5, where we did 2 things. We calculated the FICA in J5, but then the other part of it is we had to calculate the net pay in K5. And if I click this down arrow, it tells me that it's in the K's, that it's not happy. So I already have opened my file. I know it's hard to see on my screen, but on the right-hand side of this particular window, there's a button that says Download Submitted File. I want you to click that button, download your Excel sheet, and open up that copy of your Excel sheet. I've already opened mine. Okay, and if you remember during class I said you can construct whatever math equation you want for K5 as long as it works. And I was wrong. I should have known better. The My IT Lab system wants to see it done this way, and it will only accept it this way. So it has to be written like this. It actually has to be written G5 gross pay minus I5 federal withholding tax minus J5 the FICA. All right, then press enter. Then, with that in mind, use your autofill to fill it down through K16. When you're done autofilling, notice you have this little button right here. Click that down arrow and say, fill without formatting, because we don't want to change the formatting. And then how you'll know whether it's the way that the system wants to see it is because your answer in K17 must be $3,910.39. If it's not that, then go back and make sure that K5 is constructed exactly like mine. G5 minus I5 minus J5. Okay, so that's that one. Let's keep going. I'm going to go back to my results. I'm going to click the arrow to collapse the results from step 5, and I'm going to take a look at step 6. So step 6 says it's not happy either. I'm going to click the down arrow and see exactly what's happy with it. And we can see what it didn't like was K17. And now it will like K17. That one error has a cascading effect. So we don't have to do anything. Step 6 will earn the points back just because it's now correct. And the same is true for step 8. So on my step 8, I'm going to click the down arrow, and it's going to tell me it doesn't like K21, K22, K23. And if I go over to my worksheet, that K range is all about net pay. And so now that I have corrected net pay, these will also become correct. I don't even have to do anything. Once you make that correction, save your Excel file and resubmit to My IT Lab. You should get 100%, and if you don't, email me and we'll figure it out.